New revelations tonight in the Freddie Gray death case. The deputy state's attorney who was prosecuting the 6 officers involved also wants defendant Freddie Gray in court. Tonight, the officers' lawyers are crying foul. WJZ is live. Rick Ritter on the latest conflict of interest accusations. Rick?
Well, Vic, I spoke with one of the officers' attorneys. He said they just found out about the prosecutor recently representing Freddie Gray and that they're now investigating. Less than 3 months away from trial for the 6 officers charged in the death of Freddie Gray, and controversy continues to swirl. In a new court filing Thursday, defense attorneys claim prosecutors in Marilyn Mosby's office are withholding evidence. Raising even more eyebrows, those documents cite an alleged conflict of interest with Baltimore's deputy state's attorney Jan Bledsoe, who once represented Gray and is now prosecuting the officers charged. Documents include a letter dated September 2012 from the Office of the Public Defender addressed to Jan Bledsoe, informing her she had been assigned to represent Freddie Gray, who was then facing drug charges. Legal expert Andrew Levy says the prosecutor would have to use that earlier encounter with Gray against the 6 officers.
The judge is going to want to have something very specific in terms of how this alleged conflict of interest is somehow being used against the defendant.
We reached out to City State's Attorney Marilyn Mosby to get her thoughts on the alleged conflict of interest, and she released a short statement saying, unfortunately in Baltimore City, many defendants become victims of crime. Lawyers also change roles within the legal profession. Defending an individual one day does not preclude an attorney from fighting for justice for that same individual the next. Thursday's motion is just one of many making headlines. Another was filed to have the 6 officers tried elsewhere in Maryland. Prosecutors already disputed that motion. And trial is set for October 13th. All 6 officers have pleaded not guilty. We're live tonight. I'm Rick Ritter. Vic, back to you on TV Hill.
Rick, thank you. Of the 6 officers charged, one is accused of second-degree depraved heart murder. The charges against the other officers include misconduct, manslaughter, and assault.